Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and this is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we are on our breakfast journey here.
Oh, yes, we are.
You want to have your water, you want to put a little vinegar. You want to let your water boil. When your water begins to boil, you want to whisk it, ferociously until it kind of forms like a tornado. Then you want to have your eggs already cracked in a bowl. However many eggs you plan on making. And as soon as you're done, you want to have your bowl already really close to already drop the eggs in gently. So as soon as you stop whisking, you want to do that. You want to already start to drop your eggs gently. Because if not, once it stops and the tornado is no longer going, you won't be able to get the same effect that you have here. It will be your eggs, your yolks separating from your whites. So in order to kind of keep it together, you want to put it in your eggs, again, already cracked, in the bowl. Don't wait, don't crack it and then try to put it in, because that won't work out well for you. So again, whisk it ferociously. Once it stops, quickly put it in. Right before it stops, actually. While still the tornado is going and slowing down, gently slide in your eggs and just let it cook for about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, depending, I guess, on your stovetop, maybe between 4 to 5.5 minutes. Then take it out, and you'll still have the yolk kind of running, and your egg whites will be solid around it. And this is what it looks like. You have the readiness right there. You have the egg white around as a protective seal cover on that yolk that's running inside. And then you could always take it out the water gently. You want something like this, a slotted spoon or a spider web to help take it out. And you can always feel like the top of it, or gently take the top of it, and you can see that's kind of still jiggly. That means that you have a great consistency of your yolk being runny, that it's not cooked, fully cooked rather.